Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I got ham cheese croissants with bacon. Okay, so this recipe is super simple. We got ham, bacon, cheese, butter, croissants, cooking spray, parchment paper, parsley flakes, and Himalayan pink salt. So first we're going to go ahead and start off by cooking our bacon. Everybody know how to cook bacon, so just make sure you cook it. Make sure it's not too crispy, but make sure it is in between soft and crunchy. Here we're going to go ahead and lay down some parchment paper. I love to use parchment paper because it's an easy cleanup and your croissants won't stick to the pan. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and struggle and take this piece of parchment paper off of the little holder, and then I'm going to also spray it with the cooking spray. Okay, so now for the worst part. I hate opening these things. I remember my mom used to make me open these when I was little, and I used to get scared. I'm so happy this thing didn't pop. So I was struggling trying to open it because, you know, I got my little press-on nails. I didn't want one to pop off, but I'm glad it didn't bust. I just hit it on the counter, and voila, it's open. Okay, so this is how the croissants look like coming out the container. So we're going to go ahead and layer it. We're going to add the ham, the cheese, and then the bacon, and then we're going to roll it inwards with the largest side going in first to the smallest side. So yeah, we're just going to finish layering it, and then we'll just roll them on up. So now after I done rolled all of the croissants, I'm going to go ahead and add some melted butter to the top of the croissants to give it a crispy and golden brown texture once it come out of the oven. And then I'm going to season with the pink Himalayan salt and garnish it with the parsley flakes. Throw it in the oven for 450 degrees or whatever the package of the croissants say, whatever, either or, but I wouldn't put it on 400 degrees. And yeah, that's it. Throw it in the oven, and voila, you get some beautiful croissants. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in today. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. And don't forget to click that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye.